SI 126 was an absolute game changer. I was bound by shame. Through this experience, through the coaching, through the safety nets that it provides, I was able to be open, transparent, and to tell the truth. And the honest truth is, if you are bound by shame, you cannot have intimacy with the Lord. You can't have intimacy with your wife, any relationship that's important to you in your life. When you sign up for this course, expect to be changed. Expect to be freed. Let me cut to the chase. We are currently in a crisis. If you're in the business world, if you're a clergyman, if you're in the ministry, if you're a pastor, and you struggle with these issues and these addictions, and you have nowhere to go because of shame, you're terrified to come clean and open up with what's going on and get the help you need to break these chains, this is the program for you. I was able to break free because of the tools, because of the encouragement and the atmosphere that is created, the safe place to share these stories of frustration and to finally break free. In this program, I truly overcame my addictions, and I can finally say I am free.